Welcome back to AtcoPestControl.com. I am Bobby Ramirez. I'm going to show you how to set a classic wooden rat trap. Now, we use the Victor brand. We recommend it. You can pick them up at any hardware store, but they're very effective. Great to use in the attics and the sub areas of your home. And I'm just going to show you how to set them. So basically, you got a couple springs, place for your bait, and the smashing rod, or the Terminator as I call it. So you take this, you pull it back, and then you hold it with both thumbs with a good amount of pressure, and then you take the rod and put it right here into this groove. You set it down carefully, and that's that. You can also loosen the tension on this trap by just removing one of these springs. Pull up and over, and that'll lighten the tension greatly. Same deal on setting it. You're holding it back with one thumb, get the rod into the groove, and set it down gently. So that's the classic rodent trap wood. We use the Victor ones, like I said, here at Atco Pest Control. So any questions, any comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Thanks, everybody.